Hey everyone, Calvin here. So I've been in the solo mining game for just over a year now, hands-on with more than a dozen of these little miners, and yeah, I've actually caught a block myself. Today we're unboxing something pretty special, the Ustar Technology Smart Edition of the Bitaxe Gamma 601 running 1.2 terahash. Now, the big difference between this and a regular Gamma 601 1.2 terahash, it's got remote monitoring built right in. I'm talking check your hash rate from anywhere, switch your pool, change your wallet, all from your phone, out on the street if you feel like it. And honestly, that's pretty rare on an entry-level solo miner. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the full unboxing, show you step-by-step how to connect your Wi-Fi and your pool, and the important part, I'm putting real instruments on this thing to give you honest numbers on power, heat, and noise. If you've been hunting for a do-it-all little lottery miner, this one's for you. Before we jump in, do me a favor and hit like, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing first. Pop open the box and you'll find the power supply, the plug, the miner itself, and a little instruction booklet. Now inside that booklet, there's an activation code. Hang on to it because in a minute, we'll download the phone app and use that code to pair with the miner. And check this out, this thing is tiny. It's smaller than a 6.1-inch iPhone. And I'm not even talking about the 6.7-inch Pro Max. Okay, next step, let's plug it in and connect to it with the app. So once it's powered up, first thing you do is connect to it with your phone. Head to the App Store, search for Star Miner tool and install it. Open it up, register an account with your email, and once you're in, go to My Profile and switch the language over to English. Then head to Discover, tap Start Scan, then Bluetooth Scan. Once it finds your 1.2 terahash unit, grab that activation code on the first page of the booklet and scan it. After that, punch in your home Wi-Fi name and password and give it a second. Now you'll see your 1.2 terahash miner pop up under your devices. You can rename it if you want, then tap into it. First thing under remote control, you'll see sleep. Tap it and it asks if you want sleep mode. We'll cancel that. Next, there's schedule task, where you can set when it powers on and off. Though honestly, I can't really think of a use for that one since solo mining runs 24 hours, 7 days anyway. Then, and this one matters, device settings. In there, you'll find device LED, and if you hold it, the little screen lights up and says hi. After that comes pool configuration. So for pool 1, we punch in solo.atlaspool.io, port 3333. For the pool password, set whatever you like. For the miner name, use your Bitcoin wallet address, and remember to add .bitaxe1.2th on the end. For pool 2, put in solo.ckpool.org, port 3333. Pool password whatever you want, and again, your Bitcoin wallet address as the miner name. Then hit save and restart. If you're wondering why I picked these two pools specifically, I'll do a whole separate video on that soon. Below that, you'll see Wi-Fi configuration, but we already set that up at the start, so I'll skip it. Head back out and you'll see the runtime, how long it's been going. Chip temperature at 54 degrees Celsius and power consumption at 24.21 watts, which is really close to what I measured with my power meter. And get this thing's been running 60 hours straight, holding steady above 1.2 terahash the whole time. Rock solid. Also worth knowing, if the miner ever hits a hardware problem, the app will show a red exclamation mark right on the device tile. Tap it and you can pull up the error code to figure out what's going wrong. Really handy if you need to troubleshoot from across town. Quick heads up on the app. New users get a free trial when they sign up, and all features are included. Right now, that's 180 days, which is 6 months of full access, completely free. That said, the exact free period may change over time, so when you set it up, just check the app itself to see what you're getting. After the trial, if you want to keep the remote control features, it's just 99 cents US a month. But if you'd rather not pay, no worries. Live hash rate monitoring, pool settings, and wallet management all stay free. Honestly, the free version is plenty from me. You can see your live hash rate and change your pool and wallet anytime, anywhere. And that pool and wallet part especially, most regular pools or apps just can't do remotely. One more thing before we move on, and this is actually useful to know. There are two different situations when it comes to the app and your devices, so let me break it down quickly. First, if you get a new phone or you want to use the app on a second phone at the same time, you don't need to reset the miner. Just go into the app, find the key icon in the top right corner of your device page, and share that authorization key. It's a QR code with your other device. As long as you're under the same account, both phones can monitor and control the miner. Think of it as a security handshake. The server only trusts devices that have been verified with that key. Second, if you're selling the miner to someone else, that's a different story. You'll need to do a factory reset first. Just hold down the boot button on the miner for 8 seconds, release it, and it goes back to factory state. The new owner can then pair it fresh with their own account. So, keep that activation code card from the booklet for your first-time setup, and remember where your authorization key is in the app for everything after that. Now, you might be asking, do I even have to install the app? Nope, you don't have to. Just go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for Bitaxe 26AC. Connect to it and you drop into the old school web dashboard, same as before. The second you're in, it'll nag you to download the app. Just ignore that. Tap the 3 lines in the top right, go to Network, punch in your host name, your Wi-Fi SSID and password, then save and restart. Done! After that, same as always, just enter your 2 pools and your Bitcoin wallet address and you're good to go. Alright, let me actually show you this one. I'm heading downstairs to test whether I can control this miner using nothing but my phone's 5G through the Star Miner app. So here I am out on the street, running on 5G, not connected to my home Wi-Fi at all. If I try to punch in the IP address the normal way, you can see it. I can't reach the 1.2 terahash miner's dashboard. Nothing. But I open up the app, and there it is, running just fine. Now to be fair, this part, just viewing your hash rate, you can actually get that from a regular pool too, like atlaspool.io. You can see your last hour, your last day, your last 7 days. But here's where this app really shines. It's the changing, not the viewing. Let me show you. I tap into device settings, then pool configuration, and boom, I can change both my pools and my Bitcoin wallet address right here on the spot. Without this app, you'd have to wait till you got home from work and punch in that IP address before you could change a single thing. Now the other features in the app, I probably won't use them much, I'll be straight with you. What I'd actually love them to add is a hash rate drop alert. Like if your hash rate falls below a certain percentage, the app pings you a notification. That'd be genuinely useful. Okay, let's talk power draw. The official spec says 17 watts, but is that really what it pulls? Take a look at my power meter. It's reading 25 watts, a little higher than advertised. So what does 25 watts actually cost you a month? According to the US Energy Information Administration website, as of May 2026, the latest average US residential rate is 18.44 cents per kilowatt hour. So 25 watts, that's 0.025 kilowatts times 24 hours times 31 days works out to about 18.6 kilowatt hours a month. Times 18.44 cents comes out to just $3.43 a month. $3 and change. And if you want the easy way, head to my website kelvinrate.com and open the electricity cost calculator. Pick US residential, then custom, and type in whatever your area charges per kilowatt hour. I'll drop in the US average, 18.44 cents. Then choose the miner, Bitaxe Gamma 611.2 terahash at 17 watts, but bump the power up to 25 watts, hit calculate real electricity cost, and there's your answer, $3.43. Pretty simple, right? Now some of you are probably wondering, does this thing run hot? So I pointed a thermal camera at it to see where it heats up. You can see that red-orange spot right there. That's the chip, sitting at 54 degrees Celsius. Everywhere else, just 21 degrees. As for noise, my decibel meter reads around 37 decibels. Let me get in close so you can hear it. Pretty quiet, right? So honestly, this thing's perfect for a bedroom or an office. It won't keep you up and it won't cook the room. Last thing, let's talk warranty. This unit comes with a 180-day official warranty and is a straight 1-for-1 replacement. Though of course, that's for genuine, non-user caused defects. So if it actually fails within 180 days, you just ship the main unit to your regional service center and we'll send you a brand new miner, free of charge. You cover shipping to us, we cover shipping back. So to wrap it up, the standout thing about this Smart Edition Bitaxe Gamma 6011.2 terahash is their remote monitoring app. It lets you check your hash rate, switch your pool, and change your Bitcoin wallet address anytime, anywhere. Power runs just $3.43 a month. Temps sit between 21 and 54 degrees Celsius. Nice and cool, never hot. And at around 37 decibels, it's whisper quiet. Plus, it's tiny, smaller than an iPhone, so it's perfect for a bedroom or an office. So, what do you think? Drop me a comment below and I'll catch you in the next one.